everyone. So in today's video I just wanted to record this and probably I don't know if anyone's gonna be interested and if anyone's gonna be entertained, but I kind of just wanted to record it see how it goes. So I'll be cutting my own fringe. It's not the first time, but there you go, it's the first time I recorded and the reason why I'm cutting my fringe is because there's been lockdown. I mean, the salon is open, but it's just that I'm scared to go out and like have my hair being cut outside. I just don't know if it's safe, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and cut my own fringe. It's been a long time since the first time I cut my own fringe. I think the first time I did that was like last year. I bought a pair of scissors. So you know what, I think this is so rusty that I just don't know if it's gonna work. I hope it's gonna work. So I bought these two scissors, a pair. Wow, it's, I mean, a pair of scissors, and then these two should be like two pairs of scissors. Oh my god, I think that these two scissors as though are the scissors that they use when cutting hair, especially fringe. And as you guys can see, my fringe is so long, it's like covering my eyes very easily, and at the same time I don't know why the fringe hair is so fast to grow. Anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm actually planning for disaster because I don't have any newspaper right here, so I'm gonna be sweeping a lot later. Oh my god, it's very long. I didn't realize like how long it is until I'm like super annoyed. And then usually the way I see it is that they would like clip my side hair like this so that nothing gets in the way. I'm trying to find the matching color. Okay. And clip the other one right here. Okay. Alright, that's done. And okay, and then they like to like comb it like this as well. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Like, what if I did it wrong? Anyway, nobody's gonna see it anyway. Like, I don't go out, so yeah, I'm kind of scared. So let's get started. I guess I need to like this. By the way guys, this is not a tutorial. Do not follow this, because if you do, you're in for, oh my god, you're in for a messy time. Some of the hair get into my eyes. Ugh. But I need to see. I guess so far so good. I'm confused. Honestly, like, people who can cut hair are genius. Wait, what? Where's the length? Oh. I guess here. I also don't have any mirror. Like, the way I see it is from the camera, so what you are seeing is what I am seeing right now. I don't think that's a good, wait, where's the length? Oh god. I could never be a hair stylist. Like, it's just so difficult. I don't know where's the length. That looks kind of stupid. I don't know. I guess they did something else. Like, it doesn't look like this last time, so I don't know. I guess we need to cut some more. I guess. Okay, I think we're gonna cut some more. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, that's not flat. Like, what am I thinking? It's not flat. Oh my god. I really don't know. It feels like it's a bit long, but I'm kind of scared to cut it even further. Like, what if it's too short? And then I'm also kind of scared of using this because I don't want it to look like, you know, like sharp zigzag kind of thing. So yeah. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense, but yeah, this scissor is difficult to use. Actually, it's like very hard. It's not as smooth as the regular one. Did anything happen? I'm pretty sure I cut something, but nothing happens. Oh, okay, yeah. I can see like that's a bit thinner now. This is so nerve-wracking. Like, I know some people out there, they're like so skilled, they can cut their own fringe, but me, no, I can't do that. So that's why it's such a simple task, but it's like nerve-wracking. Yeah, got a lot of hair in my face. I guess the middle one needs to be thinner. Like, most of the time I saw them like real fast, like oh, okay, I can't do that. The scissor is kind of rusty. Like, I have not been using it for a long time, and I guess I'm not washing it properly. I don't know if this is good. I usually, you know, when I go to salon, like every time they ask me, is it good? Yeah, it's good, because I'm just like, I trust them. Like, I think they know better than me, so I will say that this is good. But when I cut my own hair, I'm like, I don't know if this is good. Maybe it needs a bit more. Okay. Honestly, I don't know if this is good. Okay, let me just take a look. It's okay. Just take a look. I guess it's a little bit better than last time. Like, it's shorter. It's shorter and it's a bit thinner as well. I guess this is good. Okay, so yeah, that's all the video for today. Thank you for joining me here and looking at me cutting my own fringe. Again, just to tell you guys, this is not a tutorial. Please do not follow this, or else you will be in for a mess. You will be in for trouble. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.